Filipino skincare is evolving. Gone are the days na yung mga best serums ng mga Filipino brands are yung mga simple niacinamide or simple retinol na mga serums. Instead, tumataas na ang standards natin and we're now looking for serums na hindi na lang isa ang star ingredient, kung hindi 2, 3, or even 4 star ingredients. Kasi ngayon, it's now officially the era of serums with well-rounded formulations. And let me show you the Filipino brands that are leading the way. Hi everyone! Mag-uusap na naman tayo about skincare. And as we know, very broad talaga yung term na serum. Iba-iba yung uses ng bawat serum depending on the actives na meron sa formulation niya. So for this video, ang ginawa ko is, inorganize ko yung mga best serums natin from Filipino brands into the top 3 benefits that people usually want sa mga serums nila. First, we have well-aging solutions to target the signs of aging. Meron din tayong brightening plus evening tone na serums for those with dark spots and red marks, and also clarifying and exfoliating serums for those na may mga more complex concerns like let's say acne-prone skin texture, and if you want to boost your brightening routine. So let's start first with our serums for well-aging solutions. And yes, in-update na ng mga dermatologists ang term, hindi na siya anti-aging kung hindi well-aging. Because oo nga naman, hindi naman natin sinastop or hindi naman tayo against sa pag-age ng skin natin. Kasi kapag against tayo sa aging, mamamatay tayo, di ba? And technically, hindi rin naman kasi sinastop ng skincare yung aging ng skin natin. It just supports the aging of our skin and allows us to age more gracefully. Now, as we know, retinol is still one of the best over-the-counter ingredients para sa well-aging concerns. But what's nice sa mga recent releases ng local brands natin is, hindi na lang sila basic na retinol serums, kung hindi mga retinol serums na supercharged with powerful supporting ingredients. And one of the earlier brands to actually do this is the brand Saipo with their No Regrets Retinol Gel. Now, aside from the 0.1% retinol na very beginner-friendly siya na percentage, this also has niacinamide, which as you guys know, very BFF talaga siya ng retinol. It helps na mas ma-tolerate ng skin natin ng retinol, and of course, brightening ingredient din siya. Niacinamide and retinol also give you very similar benefits sa skin mo, although of course, medyo mas hero si retinol, mas sidekick si niacinamide. They also work in different ways, which is why okay talaga sila together because parang medyo complementary sila. But also speaking of brightening, licorice root extract is also here na hindi lang brightening pero soothing din. And speaking of soothing, this also has aloe and allantoin that help counteract any possible irritation na manggagaling from retinol. And true enough, sobrang beginner-friendly talaga to, and it's something I can even use sa under eyes ko. Na-mention ko pa nga siya before sa under eye lightening journey ko where I shared yung skincare routine ko specifically for my under eyes. And for me, dahil nga gel texture siya, this is really one of the best, if not the best option pa nga talaga for a retinol product for oily skin. But especially for those na gusto nga talaga nila gamitin sa under eyes nila, na medyo prone sila sa milia or yung mga small dots sa under eyes natin kapag gumagamit sila ng medyo thick na eye creams. So this one, dahil nga gel siya, it doesn't necessarily trap anything under your skin. And at the 300 plus pesos price range for 30 ml, excellent option talaga to for beginners and a well-rounded one at that. But if let's say gumagamit ka na ng retinol, especially sa under eye area mo, and you want to increase yung percentage mo, I'm happy to say I've found a really good local option that you can upgrade to. This is from an even newer skincare brand called Kriya, and it's their 0.2% retinol plus peptide plus licorice serum. O diba, pangalan pa lang, alam na alam mo ng well-rounded na product talaga siya. And actually, after kong graduate dito sa Saipo na retinol gel ko, ito na yung current na nilalagay ko sa under eyes ko. Especially since meron din talaga tong benefits for brightening and the signs of aging. Now, one thing na ginagawa ng brand na to na parang signature na nila that I actually really like and very impressive siya sa akin is lahat ng mga brightening products nila like this one and yung moisturizer nila, they both have licorice root second sa ingredients list. Meaning, apart from water, which is yung pinakamaraming ingredient sa formulation niya, ang next na pinakamarami na is licorice root extract. And when it comes to this plant ingredient kasi, the more that there is in the formulation, the higher the chances that you get yung benefits from yung mga brightening and soothing components niya. But aside from the licorice root, another very interesting thing about this serum is yung 0.2% na retinol niya is actually encapsulated. And for those na hindi alam yung meaning nun, basically yung mga maliliit na retinol molecules naka-enclose siya sa protective capsule or parang protective shell, which helps na mas maging stable yung retinol. And ang benefit nun is mas hindi siya prone na masira and less irritating siya kapag nilagay mo sa skin. So kahit na medyo mas mataas yung percentage nito na 0.2% compared to the other products in the market na 0.1%, not necessarily na mas matapang or mas irritating to on the skin thanks to the science of encapsulation. And in fairness, meron na rin tayo finally na mga encapsulated retinol products from our local brands. But wait, hindi pa doon natatapos yung mga ingredients nito because aside from the licorice root extract and the 0.2% retinol, this also has a supporting ingredient called acetyl tetrapeptide 2, which sabi nga sa pangalan niya is a peptide. So this ingredient supports our skin's production of collagen and elastin, meaning hinihelp niya yung skin natin na mas maging plump and bouncy. Another favorite benefit sa mga naghahanap ng mga well-aging skincare benefits. Now what I like about this, when you apply it sa skin mo, it is slightly creamier compared to our other options here, pero no problem pa rin siya sa akin because when you blend it in, it's really lightweight, and even as an under-eye product, very comfortable siya for me. Of course, kailangan very careful ka pa rin naman talaga sa paggamit nito because at the end of the day, retinol pa rin siya. But so far, in my experience, okay naman siya as long as, ginagamit mo talaga properly. But now na nasa topic na tayo ng encapsulated retinol, of course, kailangan din talaga natin pag-usapan yung brand na tinodo nila yung release of encapsulated retinol products this year. Kasi hindi lang sila nag-release ng encapsulated retinol na serum, but also an encapsulated retinol eye cream, moisturizer, body lotion, even a mist na merong encapsulated retinol. And the best part, mabilis mo lang siya mahanap at mabibili in your nearest Watsons because it's from the brand Fresh Skin Lab and it's their Retinol Advanced Wrinkle Repair line. Now, nagulat talaga ako nung nirelease to ni Fresh starting from their very controversial na retinol sunscreen from earlier this year. Napaisip talaga ako, ba't hindi na lang sila mag-release ng regular na retinol na encapsulated? And true enough, ayan na nga talaga siya na manifest natin times 5, o diba? Now just to be clear with you guys, hindi nyo kailangan gamitin lahat ng mga products sa retinol line nila. You just actually have to choose the right one for you. And to do that, basically, kailangan mo muna i-determine kung saan mo ba gusto gamitin yung retinol mo. Gusto mo ba ilagay sa under eyes, sa neck, sa buong face, sa body, ikaw yung makakapag-decide nun. And then after that, also determine kung gaano na ba kasanay yung skin mo sa retinol. Beginner ka ba or medyo advanced user ka na? Because usually, yung mga creamier formulas are a bit more beginner-friendly, like yung mga moisturizers, yung mga eye creams, and also yung mga lotions nila. Better yun for beginners. Meanwhile, yung mga watery or yung mga serum products nila tend to absorb faster sa skin, so medyo mas for advanced users na sila. And of course, obviously, also take into account din yung percentage ng retinol na nasa formulation. Now personally, kung papapiliin mo ako, yung two personal favorites ko talaga from this line are itong serum and itong cream nila. And ito talaga yung pinaka mare-recommend ko talaga for those who want to make the most out of their retinol products. Itong cream kasi, it's a good all-arounder. Pwede mo siyang gamitin on any area of your face and it has the beginner-friendly amount of 0.1% retinol. Yung kasi mga parts ng body na, especially ako nagda-drive ako, yun yung na-expose talaga sa araw and yung mga parts that are also prone to the signs of aging. Sabi ng mga dermatologists, di ba, hindi na yung face yung nagde-determine ng age mo, kung hindi yung body mo na talaga magpapakita. So, kailangan yun din ina-address natin kung gusto nating proportional yung pag-age gracefully ng skin natin. And the retinol product I've really been using for that is itong moisturizing cream nila kasi talaga very comfortable din to, especially on the body. It does say that this is a cream pero yung texture niya is more of a gel cream that blends very easily on the skin. But for those na gusto nang mag-upgrade to an even higher percentage of retinol, as in matagal na kayong gumagamit ng 0.1% retinol, ng 0.2% retinol, and you want to see more results from it, I think itong 0.5% retinol serum nila is a really good option to start because you get a higher potency ng retinol, pero compared sa regular na 0.5% retinol, again, ito kasi encapsulated siya, so less chances for irritation. I also have to say, yung texture or yung consistency ng serum na to is very comfortable on the skin. Para siyang milky gel serum. It spreads very easily on the skin, and actually, ang worry ko lang talaga is sa sobrang comfortable nito, baka yung iba, masobrahan sila ng lagay kasi sobrang okay talaga yung feeling niya sa skin. But again, do remember this is a 0.5% retinol na serum. Though encapsulated naman siya and 0.5%, okay pa rin naman yun na amount. Hindi siya yung sobrang tapang talaga kasi 1% na yun. But yeah, I guess that's a testament to how well Fresh formulates the texture ng products nila. As in, alam talaga nila yung gusto ng mga Pilipino na comfortable, hydrating, parang may pagka-watery na texture. And another thing I like about yung mga products na nasa line na to is across all their products, yung formulation talaga ni Fresh, aside from the encapsulated retinol, nag-add sila ng mga superstar supporting ingredients. A lot of these products, meron din silang ceramides, squalane, and cholesterol to properly nourish the skin barrier and prevent dryness from retinol. And meron pa nga silang Matrixyl 3000, which is basically a popular peptide complex or parang 2 peptide ingredients siya in one. And it's one of the most used peptide ingredients in the world, known for its ability to target yung mga wrinkles sa skin natin. So again, as you guys can see, hindi lang siya basta-basta na retinol serum, but a retinol serum that was innovated and has significant supporting ingredients. And with this line from Fresh Skin Lab being just below 500 pesos per product, sobrang accessible nito for us. Now, as you guys might have noticed, ang dami na sa mga well-aging products natin na may parang secondary benefit sila of brightening sa skin. Because, well, secondary benefit din naman talaga ang brightening sa retinol. But what if brightening talaga ang main concern mo, be it a more even skin tone or mga dark spots na gusto mong i-fade? Well, dyan pumapasok yung next category natin, which is our brightening and evening skin tone category. Now, usually yung combination na nakikita natin from our local brands is yung typical na niacinamide plus arbutin na combination or niacinamide plus vitamin C. But you guys will be surprised, medyo nag-innovate na rin talaga yung mga brightening ingredients natin sa mga dark spot serums natin. And we even have products now na mga brightening serums sila with 3 or even more na mga brightening actives. And one of the brands leading the way, in my opinion, is the brand Elana, and I'm super in love with itong new release nila. It's their new and improved Even Dark Spot Serum. And nung chinek ko to online, remember new release to from Elana, pero nung tiningnan ko, sold out na talaga siya. That's how popular the serum is sa skincare community. Yung formulation kasi nito is a very interesting, well-proven, and maybe even underrated na formulation for dark spots. Meron siyang niacinamide na 7%, and yes, meron din siyang arbutin na 1%, but it also has acetylglucosamine. And meron kasing magandang evidence na ang niacinamide, when paired with acetylglucosamine and used daily for 8 weeks, nakaka-fade talaga siya ng mga brown spots. I-pair mo pa yon with a study na effective din ang niacinamide and arbutin na combination, then you have 3 very good and non-irritating ingredients for brightening the skin. And that's what I really like about the serum, kasi kapag discounted mo tong nakuha, a little under 400 pesos lang siya, so mga 300 plus. With this kind of formulation, in my opinion, this is really one of the best brightening serums that you can get right now. Ang isa lang talaga na masasabi kong needs improvement sa product na to is yung pump niya. Kasi ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, pag pinump mo to sa skin mo, parang very violent yung pag-pump ng product. So you kind of have to pump it in a certain way na parang ginaganon ko pa yung kamay ko para ma-catch niya yung product. Kung hindi, tatalsik talaga siya. So yun lang talaga yung medyo parang critique ko on this. But other than that, I really like the product. Even the consistency, again, na perfect na talaga ni Elana. Alam na ng mga Philippine brands natin how light we want our serums, and Elana has got that to a T. Baka maging complaint nyo lang is sold out siya, but that is as of the time na sinushoot ko yung video na to. So let's see, baka naman after kong ishoot yung video na to or kapag pinost ko na yung video na to, meron na ulit silang stock. Pero parang hindi na rin kayo mahirapang hanapin sila, kasi minsan talaga kapag sold out as itatry mo pang i-search online, mahirap talaga hanapin. So I'll just put the link to the official store in the description box para pag click nyo, makita nyo na agad kung in stock ba siya or hindi. But if you need an alternative to this, I also have another really good option that actually works on all the stages of our dark spots. And actually, I would consider this also a local alternative to yung top dark spot serum ko talaga from L'Oreal, yung bago nilang Glycolic Bright with Melasyl. Although of course, medyo iba talaga yung technology ng serum na yon, medyo mas advanced siya. But for those na walang pambayad na almost 1K for that serum, I have an option that's that's less than half the price. This is from the brand Noah and it's their Zoom Out Spots Corrector Face Serum. Na alam nyo na gustong-gusto ko yung Glow Boost Niacinamide Serum nila. I did feature that last year and medyo magkamukha kasi sila ng packaging. Pero itong serum na to that they have, medyo mas later ko na siyang na-appreciate the more I learned about dark spots this year because I realized it targets all the layers ng dark spots with a combination of new and old but proven na ingredients. On the deepest layer ng pag-form ng dark spots, it has alpha-arbutin which also works sa first stage ng dark spot formation, preventing as much as possible na mag-produce yung skin ng dark pigment. On the second level naman, meron siyang niacinamide at 3%, still a good percentage to help prevent na umakyat yung dark pigment sa taas ng skin natin. And then finally, kapag nasa skin na natin siya, as in kitang-kita mo na yung dark spot mo, meron din tong PHA or polyhydroxy acid to gently exfoliate the top layer ng skin natin para slowly mas mag-fade yung mark na umangat na. So, yung mga ingredients na to, hindi na siya bago sa atin, narinig na natin sila before, but what's nice about the formulation of this serum is ginamit talaga nila wisely and strategically para makatulong sa dark spots. And that's why I think sobrang underrated talaga na local serum itong si Noah for the formulation that they have here. But other than these two, of course, we also have our other long-time tried and tested and trusted na mga dark spot serums na for years ko na rin silang nire-recommend. We have, of course, these two brands na magkamuka. These are Dermo Republic's Dark Spot Serum na more than 2 years ko na siyang nire-recommend and itong Soul Apothecary Radiance Boost na since 2021 ko pa siya nire-recommend. As in talaga ako kapag kailangan ko ng reliable option that has given me results time and time again, I still really like this one. And if you want an in-depth review on this one and also itong kay Dermo Republic, ni-review ko na rin sila sa best dark spot serums na video ko. Ililink ko na lang siya sa I button so you can watch it. But if your concern is not just dark spots but more of skin texture mo overall, meron kang roughness, medyo dull yung skin mo, or you want supporting ingredients sa acne medications mo for your oily acne-prone skin, we also have our final category of the best clarifying and exfoliating products. So let's start with an option for our combination skin girlies. Finally, mas pinapansin na talaga sila ng mga brands for those na may konting oiliness lang but mostly want to focus on yung pag-brighten ng dull and uneven skin tone nila. This option might be for you. It's the Bello Essentials AHA BHA Serum. Now, it's not the first time that I'm talking about this serum and in fairness talaga kay Bello Essentials from a brand that I almost hate, as in yung formulation talaga nila in their new line, I really like it and it's a really good step up para sa kanila. Not to mention, yung formulation nila dito is a really good one for combination to oily skin types. Now, this has 2% glycolic acid, which is actually the most well-studied na alpha-hydroxy acid for brightening the skin, but also 5% mandelic acid, which is a more gentle brightening exfoliant na less irritating sa skin natin. Aside from that, it also has 0.5% salicylic acid, which should just be enough for those na select areas lang ng face nila yung oily. It's actually really nice also na meron din tong niacinamide, somewhere from 2 to 5%. They don't disclose it, but it helps boost all the benefits ng mga exfoliants dito. So actually, when you're using this product as maybe once a week or twice a week na exfoliant, hindi mo na kailangan magdagdag pa ng isang niacinamide serum kasi meron na rin siya dito. Now, another thing I like about this is yung lightweight texture niya when you apply it on your skin na I'm sure naging very mindful talaga si Bello Essentials team dito. You only need a few drops of this and yung few drops na yon absorb very fast on your skin. Minsan nga parang too fast siya pero sige, bigay na natin sa kanya bilang sobrang pawisin, very hot and humid and malagkit talaga ang weather natin sa Pilipinas. But that's possible because they did add a little bit of alcohol sa formulation na to, which is not necessarily bad and hindi naman din to alcohol based. But I do have to say though, for sensitive skin types, just again, to stay on the safe side and just as a default, make sure to patch test this product first just so you know how your skin reacts to it. Meanwhile, kung very oily ka naman and meron kang dark spots, of course, kailan ba ako nawala ng recommendation para sa mga oily na may dark spots as someone na oily and merong dark spots? I think this next one might just be one of the most powerful exfoliants that we have from our local brands. And again, other brands need to take note. This is again from the brand Saipo and it's their Drop This Exfoliating Toner. And hindi ako nag-exaggerate when I say most powerful talaga to because this is really the only toner we have in the Philippines with 2% salicylic acid and 7% glycolic acid. Hi guys, Jan from the future here. Slight correction lang. I said 7% glycolic acid but what I meant to say was 7% AHA siya. So yung AHAs niya is comprised of glycolic acid, lactic acid, and citric acid. Ilalagay ko na lang din yung percentages dito para alam nyo kung ilang percent yung nakuha nyo. But as a total na AHA blend, it's 7%. Yun lang, I hope this clarifies. Na I know baka medyo natakot yung ibang mga sensitive skin types dyan or yung mga ibang na-irritate from exfoliants kasi nga naman, very strong talaga yung formulation na yon. But when used properly and strategically in your skincare routine, this can be one of the best supporting ingredients even for oily and acne-prone skin. Actually, most especially for oily and acne-prone skin. And I say this because yun din yung naging experience ko sa product na to. As in, alam nyo, diba, meron na akong full routine of acne medications that my dermatologist prescribed to me and yun talaga yung mga main na ginagamit ko for my acne. And ito, in-include ko lang siya once a week sa routine ko. Just once a week, every Sunday, instead of tretinoin ang ginagamit ko that night, itong toner yung ginamit ko. Then I follow it up with a standard na soothing moisturizer, usually yung Aveeno. But my point being, after ilang weeks talaga na ginamit ko to, of course, along with my routine of acne medications and other essentials, it really made a difference sa dark spots and sa oiliness ko. Unang-una, mas mabilis mag-fade yung dark spots ko and this also helped me become less breakout prone. But of course, I want to remind as someone na nakapag-undergo na ng several acne treatments for months, again, by no means am I saying na acne treatment ito na stand-alone na kapag ito yung ginamit mo, mawawala na agad lahat ng breakouts mo. I'm just saying na magandang booster to an already existing anti-acne routine na merong acne medications. And again, once or twice a week ko lang siya inad. And yes, that did make a difference. But of course, yung most important thing is yung everyday mo na naglalagay ka ng acne medications, nagsa-sunscreen ka, nagda-dark spot serum ka. If you want to boost it even more, ito talaga, I can say, nakatulong siya. And yung texture nito is also something I want to talk about kasi talaga, it feels very watery on the skin. Again, na perfect din ni Saipo yung gusto nating consistency when it comes to exfoliants. Kapag bumili ka kasi ng mga ganitong types of products sa mga Western markets, let's say from mga French brands, from mga US brands, may pagka-greasy sila and shiny on the skin. But this one, ibang-iba talaga siya and it's a really uniquely Filipino na consistency. But anyway, I'll share with you guys soon how I integrate this into my skincare routine. Lagi ko namang pinapakita yung current skincare routine ko at the end of the year, sometimes at the start of the year din. But if you want to keep looking at this product or kino-consider mo na siya sa skincare routine mo, ilalagay ko na lang as per usual yung official store link ni Saipo sa description box. Since again, napakaraming fake accounts na gumagaya kay Saipo. So again guys, just a reminder to shop safely. And I just want to say how proud I am of our Filipino skincare brands. As in guys, every year, ang layo ng nararating natin to the point na pwede ka nang gumawa ng buong routine with just local products. As in, hindi mo yun magagawa 10 years ago, but now, you can do it confidently. And if you need proof, ilalagay ko dito yung all local skincare routine na video ko, which I am very proud of because it really showcases how much nag-advance yung mga local brands natin. And I'll put that there along with another video that might be helpful for you to watch sa skincare journey mo. And again guys, as usual, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!